Lunch of an ordinary office worker. I'm early today. Let's start with our usual, a brick of rice, braised pork belly with cabbage. Take more tofu, I love it. Stir fry ham with melon slices. The taste is good. Pork with eggplant? It goes well with rice. Braised minced pork ball. Today's lunch have lots of protein. I love it. Do you think I'll be able to finish it?